Setting up the MIDI-1001. In this next section, I'll walk you through the setup process. So let's take a closer look at the MIDI-1001 and see just how it works. First, you'll notice the MIDI-1001 system consists of two transceivers, each with MIDI in and out ports. So let's say you want to MIDI two devices like a keyboard and a sequencer. You'll need to connect each MIDI-1001 transceiver to each MIDI device via standard MIDI cables. You must connect the MIDI out of your equipment to the MIDI in of MIDI-1001. After they are connected via MIDI to your keyboard and sequencer, they are then joined by the Cat5 cable. Before jumping ahead to test out the MIDI-1001 system, there are a few minor steps to take beforehand. First, set the MIDI-1001 transceivers to A and B using the dip switches on the front panel of each unit. Set one unit to A and the other to B. Connect power to both MIDI-1001 units. Connect the Cat5 cable between the two units. Connect MIDI cables. Transceiver A. Connect the MIDI out of your keyboard to the MIDI in of MIDI-1001. Next, connect the MIDI in of your keyboard to the MIDI out of MIDI-1001. Repeat the same procedure for transceiver B and second MIDI device. Transceiver B. MIDI out of your sequencer to the MIDI in of MIDI-1001. MIDI in of your sequencer to the MIDI out. The unit is designed to operate in simplex, full duplex, or drop and repeat modes. That's it. The MIDI-1001 system can be powered from one unit if desired. The Cat5 cable will convey power to the second unit. Either unit can be the source, but none of the indicators will light on the second until the Cat5 cable is connected. For more information and updates, go to www.midiextender.com. That's it for now. Thanks.